How to enable Weverse on mobile. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So to start using Weverse on your phone, you need to first install it and log in. So go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store according to your device. Search for Weverse application, and once you find it, you can tap on install or update according to your choice. And once it is installed in your device, you can open it and then log into your account or sign up if you don't have an account yet. Also enable the notifications to get update from Weverse. Once you log into your account, there you will see the bell icon in the top right corner of the screen, which is indicating notifications. Tap on it again and tap on allow notification, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. You can also enable permissions, which will give full access to the app. So Weverse might ask for permission to access camera, microphone, and storage. And to allow access, you can go ahead and tap and hold onto this application. Tap on the eye icon to go to its app info. Then scroll down and go to its permissions. And there you will see the option allow the specific thing like location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, camera, photos, and videos. Do it according to your choice and then come back. And if the app is uninstalled or disabled, you can go ahead and re-enable it by going to the apps and then finding the disabled apps and tapping on enable. And on iPhone, you can just reinstall the app from the App Store. Now you can join the artist or communities and watch videos, comment, like, and bookmark the content. Also buy memberships on the Weverse shop. And if you need help enabling Weverse shop, artist notifications, or watching content from specific artists like BTS, TXT, or 17, you can just ask in the comments below. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.